Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with my giveaway, my 6,000 subscriber giveaway video. This giveaway is going to be this Daphne's Diary journal that I made. And it is one signature. It is super cute, and I'm also going to have a second giveaway, so there'll be two winners, and it is going to be one of my linens and lace giveaway. I don't have it made up yet, but that will be gift number 2. So let's get into this one, and I'll just talk as I go through it a little bit, I guess. Sorry about the shadows. Excuse me. This one is super, super cute. I love these ones. And all you have to do to be entered in the giveaway is to be subscribed and like the video and leave a comment below, because I'll be choosing out of the people that leave a comment. That way I know you watched the video, and yeah, I love every one of you all. Wish I could give all of you a gift, but I can't afford that much shipping. So, but yeah, I'm super excited. I haven't had the time to do this video because I've been super busy, but because I take care of my mom, I go watch my mom a lot and take care of her, so I haven't had the time. But this morning I have the time. Well, actually, yesterday I was going to do this video, and I did do this video yesterday. And I did another video yesterday, but I also deleted them both by accident, and by then I was so tired, so I just gave up and said I am not doing it again until tomorrow morning after I've had my coffee, and then I'll do the video again and we'll try that. But yeah, I super love these. They lay so flat and they're just pretty, and I just love them. I love that page. That's one of my favorites. You can just look at the pretty flowers all day. Then we have this cute little envelope. I super love this envelope. And a couple tags here. Let's go. And there's a couple little tags here. This is a little blank card that I thought was super cute. I love that page as well. I love that magazine. They're just really pretty to look at, and I don't know, there's something about them that I love. A little booklet right here of Ray Dunn paper. And here is some tags over here, a snippet pocket, and a little Tim Holtz with a butterfly and some little tickets in there. And these two. I love that kitty, so cute. And the back we have an extra pocket and this postcard that I got off eBay. And this is a wallpaper. I smashed it. Wallpaper pocket. And then that is the back. And that will be the journal giveaway. And then I will make up a lace and linens and things bundle, and that will be a giveaway as well. So yeah, all you got to do, like I said, is like this video, leave a comment, and you will be entered in the video. Thank you so very much for getting me to 6,000 subscribers. I appreciate it so very much. And yeah, I hope to see you in the comments so you have a chance to win. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.